up? This is Ben Cubbage from Elevated Trips at elevatedtrips.com, and we are in Zagana today, a beautiful Tibetan area in the very south of Gansu province, and you can see these beautiful mountains behind me. This is just like Yosemite National Park in California of America. Huge rocky mountains, 500 meter to 1,000 meter vertical drops right on these mountains. Just insane. And this place, the Tibetan name actually means rock box, which of course you can see why this is a rock box. We're surrounded on all sides by these super gnarly mountains, and this is just rad. So today we're doing an 8-hour hike. This is day one of our hike. Tomorrow we're going to do a hike as well, but next couple days we'll be checking out Zagana. So it's about a 10-minute drive. We paid the 40 kwai ticket and we're here in Zagana and we're starting our hike. Got to ride with about 20 Chinese folks to the trailhead, but hopefully as we walk a little bit, it's these crowds right here at the trail will clear a little bit. We'll have a little bit of a trail to ourselves. So you can see this is the start of the trail. We're starting right here. These little things are sharp. Ow, man, but look at that view. We're 10 minutes into the hike and the crowds have already started to thin. It went from several hundred Chinese tourists to maybe just 2 or 3. Okay, good part of the trail. looked like this for the first couple hours. Well, it's not too bad as far as grade. About maybe 3–4% grade, and you're walking along this huge river for most of the time. We're headed up to the high grasslands, but for now we're deep in the canyon, and the trail's not very steep. It's graded for horses. You'll see a couple horses along here, but the altitude, whew, gotta take your time up here. Altitude is gnarly, but this is so much fun. I don't know if you can hear about that, but that's my echo. We're here at the top on the grasslands, 4,000 meters. It's been probably about 4 hours hike up to the top, probably 2 to 3 hours down, so all put together hike's probably about 7–8 hours if you're going to do the full hike. Oh, so happy to be going downhill. That feels so good on the lungs. Yes. This is Ben Cubbage from Elevated Trips. Subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below if you want to see anything in particular on the Tibetan Plateau. We'd love to hear from you, and travel with us at elevatedtrips.com.